costly. I mean, it's about, there are about 13 episodes. All the 13 episodes put together is, I think, 200 rupees.
13 एपिसोड्स की कीमत सिर्फ 200 रुपए है और इसके लिए आपको विज्ञान प्रसार को लिख करके 200 रुपए का शायद बैंक ड्राफ्ट बना के
कोई भी है वो इवन दे कैन पे बाय इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ट्रांसफर
या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ट्रांसफर से डेबिट कार्ड से दे सकते हैं। और 13 एपिसोड हैं ऐसी, 2 आपने देखी हैं, अभी 11 और ऐसी ही मजेदार कहानी है।
ये जो पैटर्न और टाइलिंग का मुस्लिम आर्किटेक्चर का बहुत ज्यादा होता है, कहीं इंडियंस में भी हमारे आर्किटेक्चर में
See, actually, if you look at the, if you look at the history of maths, if you look at the geometry, the general sense, I'm not saying very specific, okay, very generally, it is the Greek Babylonian tradition, which had a lot of geometry. But whereas the Indian, ancient Indian tradition, lot of numbers. No, algebra. So, for example, the number in India is an algebraic function, but whereas in Greek or Egyptian or Babylonian system, it is geometric sense. So, when you say 2, it means 2 times a ruler. So, you cannot have a 0, because you cannot have a 0 times a ruler. Now, when you have a ruler, so you can have 2, 3, 4, 5. So, the number sense is geometric, but whereas in India it is algebraic. So, if x minus 2 is 0, x is equal to 2. X plus 2 is 0. X is equal to minus 2. You can even have negative number. Okay, so the Indian number system emerges from a strong algebraic sense. So the geometry is geometry plus algebra, everything combined in Persian area, somewhere around 12th, 13th century. And that's how you see it in a lot of what we might generally call as Islamic architecture. Whether it is in Spain or whether it is in Persia, whether it is in India, lot of that kind of a geometry pattern.
एक चीज और मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि डॉक्टर टी वेंकटेश्वरन was the key person in getting these films made. So I think we should all clap for him for getting these such beautiful films.
And in fact, Mr. produced during we started this project in 2012, the year of Ramanujam. And it's sort of complete in another week. The Hindi version will also be available. We thought we'll make the Hindi version for this. We couldn't complete. There were some small glitches. The Hindi one? No. This one has come in Rajya Sabha TV and other TV. The English version. The Hindi version is available. Hindi version will come soon. Thank you.
Then why so low yes? Did you enjoy the session?
Yes!
They enjoyed the session. So, a big round of applause for them. Anyone wants to ask any question?
One boy is raising hand at back.
Piche, come to the front. Come to the front. Yeah.
We watched a video on tiling and all. So these giri tiles were already made, prefabricated.
Basic tiles were prefabricated, yes.
Yeah, see, actually what the story says is, if you look at many of the so-called Islamic architecture, in the Islamic architecture, which is actually Persian architecture, nothing is Hindu, nothing is Islamic, nothing is Christian, it's all culture, so which means that it's Persian, Indian, Egyptian, okay, so that's why I'm calling it as so-called Islamic. I mean, we are used to it, so we are using it. So it came from a region, okay. So if you look at the Persian architecture, one of the major, let's say, surprise is in that huge area, how did the masons were able to tile and without mistake. I mean, it's not like you are tiling a small, this kind of a table. I mean, you are tiling a huge courtyard. Okay, courtyard which will be 10 times the size of this hall. And you should never make a mistake. And in those days, you didn't have computers. You had only scales, compass, maybe a protractor, right? So how did they make it? So that is where one of the, a scientific study showed that it is actually made out of what is called as a grid tails. That is, once you make those basic grid tails, you can rearrange them and create number of structures. Okay, so they had in some sense intuitively got that grid tails. If you can do that, then they found that you can make number of patterns. That's what the study showed. So that's what we had showed in the film. So there are lots of interesting things behind it. If you can ferret it out, it's really very interesting. So when in those days when they were doing those tiling, the tilings were prefabricated. So you fabricate the grid tile, that is basic unit, and you stick it. Okay, so that's how the actual construction took place.
Sir, I want to ask that why maths is important for our life and why it is important subject?
Why is it important? Have you on the morning session, even the sportsmen are using mathematics?
Yeah, maths is actually useful in two senses. See, one is useful for individuals, okay, like whether I use maths, whether you use maths, whether your mother uses maths, that's one part of it. Second, maths is useful for us, which means as society. Right? So, as individuals, without numbers we can't exist. What's your telephone number? What's the door number of your house? What will be the whatever. In some sense, the numbers and maths are part of our life. You can't avoid it as individuals. As society, today we live in a world where actually quite a lot of maths is there which we are not recognizing. Every time you use a credit card, every time you use a debit card, there is quite a bit of maths going on there and about prime numbers. Okay, maybe there is another film called Prime Sense. Okay, so please watch that film. You will understand that how, without you knowing, you are performing a huge mathematical operation every time you are using a credit card or a debit card or any internet transaction with respect to money. Yeah, come. She wants to answer.
Sir, what is the meaning of Indo-Arabic system?
Okay, see what happened was this number system, the basic digits and the way we use it emerged in India. Okay, it emerged in India, that system, but that system was perfected. The current shape that you are seeing for 1, 9, 10, 0, etc. plus the basic operation that you read in schools, no? That is, you write 432 like this, write 24 like this, you add, then you carry over the tens, this kind of algorithm. The word algorithm actually comes from that person whom you saw in the film, Al-Khwarizmi. Okay, that was added on in Persia. Al-Khwarizmi is a Persian actually, Persia, Arab Persian. What today we would call as Iraq, Iran, plus the Jordan, that region of the world. So that's where that perfection came in. So that is why, and then that got spread to other parts of the world, Europe, Africa, and other parts it went from there. So that system, what we use today is called as that way, Indo-Arabic numeral system. Not math system, it's called Indo-Arabic numeral system. The numerals, these are the numbers and the operation that we use. So when you are multiplying 43 into 23, what do you do? First you multiply by 3, you write it, then you multiply by 4, leave a gap and then write, right? Then you add. This process, the procedure by which you actually do the multiplication on a paper using a pencil, that's something that was added, that was perfected by algorithm. So that's why most of these things we call it as algorithm. Anything where there is a procedure which you just repeat. Right?
I just want to add in the answer which the previous student was asking why maths is important, because it is the only subject which will develop your problem solving skills. The life will not come in the form of a syllabus which you already know. There are problems you will get the strength to challenge and face those problems because of maths. Because in other subjects you have learning work more and understanding, but in maths you always face new challenges and new problems which will correlate to you to life in a better manner.
She has a here. Yeah, you start and then.
Why and how is mathematics indispensable in technology?
Okay, why is maths indispensable in technology? Okay, I'll tell you a small story. You want a story or a So when NASA was sending a spacecraft to Moon, I think it's Moon, right? Okay, no. When NASA was sending a spacecraft to Mars, okay, it crashed. Simply because instead of calculating in the usual scientific calculations of centimeters and meters, unfortunately one scientist had calculated that in the inches and feet. Okay? So whatever that they had fed to the computers were fed in centimeters and meters, but whereas the calculation done by one scientist was in inches and feet, which is another system that is followed in US. Then the whole thing crashed. Okay? So if you are looking at technology, technology is actually maths plus science. Okay, if you are talking about technologies like industrial technology, it would be chemistry plus maths. If you are talking about, something like, let's say, rocket technology of launching the rocket, it's physics plus maths. It's, maths is the way actually you implement things. Yeah, sure. Thank you. Anything more? There was one girl here.
Sir, so what is the Fibonacci sequence?
Okay, we did not talk here. There is another program here. You can watch it. Okay, there is one specific program on there. This girl here.
So what is meant by base system?
Okay. See, base system is essentially how many digits that you use, to represent a number. If you look at, If you look at, for example, the 60 base system, okay, 60 base system, you will count up to 59, and the 60 you will call it as whatever you started as 1 and something what you will call as 0. So that is why, for example, in Babylonia, when they wanted to write 60, they put a triangle and a small wedge. You saw in the film, so that becomes 60. But whereas in Indo-Arabic system, when you want to write 10, what you do, you put 1 and 0, okay? Similarly, we can have a 5-base system. So how will you write 6? You will put 1 and whatever you call as 1 and something called 0, then it becomes 6. You got it? So then it becomes 5-base system. So base is a way how long you will calculate with the discrete symbols, and then you will compile. When you write 10, you are actually compiling. Okay? So at 10 you are compiling. So 60 base system, at 60 you are compiling. Depends. For example, for computer operations, base 2 is the best. But for our normal day-to-day operations, base 10 is best. But there are some systems where base 8 would be interesting. There are some places where, for example, other number system might, for example, time. 60 is what we are actually using. Okay, then you can divide the degrees into that many numbers, so you can have much more sharper stuff. Okay, so there is nothing called best. Best is what fits that particular application. Best is always contextual for a particular purpose. If you use base 2 for normal operation, we will go crazy. But computers won't go crazy because it's a machine, right? So for that it's okay. For us it will be really terrible.
Last question.
Yeah.
So what is Fibonacci spiral?
Sorry?
So what is Fibonacci spiral?
Okay, Fibonacci spiral. Fibonacci spiral, we have not talked about Fibonacci much, except that he introduced the Indo-Arabic system to Europe. There is a separate episode called Fibonacci system. Please watch that, because you need to have some background to understand that. Then I need some 20 minutes to explain. That will not be a right stuff. Okay? So watch that. Maybe ask your school teachers to purchase this video. It's not very cost. Okay? Please watch.